What is up, everybody? How's everybody doing today, man? You already know how it goes. It's your boy B back with another video, man. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you don't know me, my name is Brandon Jones, and I specialize in helping you make an extra income. And this channel right here, this channel right here is me showing you my full life, okay? Me being an entrepreneur and having a family and trying to balance the ups and the highs and lows, the ups and downs and the in-betweens, okay, guys? So if you are interested in having somebody and being a part of a community that has entrepreneurs and people that are attempting to make more and more income streams, I want you guys to subscribe, man. Become a part of the family. I am also creating a private community. Private community will be below, okay? You can join, and guess what? That is where we're going to be doing our weekly webinars. So we have 2 webinars, okay? 2 webinars a week so far. We have the Plan of Attack webinar on Sundays. That is us planning our weeks together. Because if you know, being an entrepreneur, having extra income streams, and even if you're planning to develop income streams, you need to be able to plan your weeks effectively so that you can be able to attack that goal. You have to have a goal. It's just like if you're going on a trip, you want to have a GPS that is directing you towards your main destination. It's the same thing when you come to success. You want to have somewhere, somehow, a goal and then a roadmap to get to that goal. If not, you're going to be doing anything and everything, moving sporadic and just doing anything, okay? And we just want to make sure we have those goals set so that we can get things handled fast, efficient, and of course be intelligent. So guys, right now I'm doing something I just wanted to show you guys, because a lot of people don't know that you can do this, and some people do, but they also don't know the steps that you need to take to be able to establish your LLC, right? I have a few LLCs, but I'm actually creating another one because it's something I'm bringing to this platform and other platforms, and I need to make sure I have this LLC separate from everything else because I plan to do big things with this. Big things with this channel, big things with our community, big things to help other individuals. And in order for me to do that, I have to do it the right way, which is creating and establishing an LLC. So guys, if you want to go and you want to make an LLC, I'm gonna just show you from my office computer, right? So boom, y'all see I'm at IRS.gov. All I do is just type in, you could do EIN, or you could say create EIN. All right, create EIN. I don't feel like doing the screen sharing thing right now. So then you do that. You got to make sure at the IRS.gov website. So if you're not here, you're at another website that's going to charge you extra, and you don't need to be charged extra. So a lot of websites are charging people to do this process, and it's like you can literally do this process yourself. All right, so number 1, right, just hit apply now, and of course you go through all the steps. All right, so if you want to create an LLC, of course you're going to hit LLC right there. Sole proprietor, this is not going to get you any benefits. It's not going to help you with your business. Don't hit that. Partnerships, I wouldn't recommend. Corporations, yes, I recommend it once you get your LLC up and running. Corporations are going to be more taxed. Estate and trust, these are things that I don't even touch because I don't even have any. I don't know about them. I have it in my research and on about them. So I just wouldn't do it. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna always keep it 100 with y'all. I don't know about the estate and trust yet, but excuse me. Now, since you chose that LLC company, and you go choose how many members. Usually I say 3, but choose how many members you really do have. I have a couple. Choose the state that you're in. All right, of course you guys know I'm in Pennsylvania. Why did it say Rhode Island? I'm in Pennsylvania. Hit continue. Hit continue. Start a new business. Continue. Put all your information in. Once you put all your information in, hit I am the owner. Boom, hit continue, right? So it's gonna ask you for your address and stuff. I'm already doing all that, did all of that. Now it is asking me this. So I always do it from when my LLC started, which was in 2015. We're gonna do PA again. You already know Pennsylvania. All right, so now, when you have your name, so y'all see I'm doing this Educatedhustler LLC. All right, if I had another name, which you see the connectors here, if I had another name, I would put it, but I don't. It's going to be that. So now I gotta put this information in. So 1 second. All right, so now it's asking me, does your business own a highway? No, I don't do any of this. No gambling. Don't need none of that. We don't sell alcohol or tobacco. We ain't into that yet. No, nobody's gonna have a W-2. They're gonna have a 1090. All right, so now I always usually choose retail. This particular business though, I don't know if you guys, y'all can see, this particular business is going to be a bunch of things. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say wholesale, because this is mainly going to be for us. We're going to sell electronics. Let's see. As a matter of fact, we're just going to hit no. Hit no, because this is going to be better. So hit no. Did you receive commission? Electronics. Yeah. One hand is kind of interesting. Retail items, I'm just going to say. All right, cool. Receive it online, do not receive by letter. All right, so then the paper and everything comes directly to you. You can download it. So I'm about to download it right now. So I'm gonna type in Educatedhustler, EIN, okay, PDF. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to email it to me. Now y'all, that is just a part of it, okay? Now I gotta register the business in my state. So register it in PA. I have to take another step. Now this is where a lot of people are getting confused. It's like when you create that EIN, it really means, I don't want to say it doesn't mean anything, but you know, you know what I mean? It's here and there, you know what I mean? It's cool to have it, but we want to make it a legal entity. We want to make it actually something physical. So that's what we're about to do. Okay, so I got to this site, and PA is basically business one-stop shop. So it's hub.business.pa.gov. When I see that .gov, I know for a fact that this is legit, and that's it. You know what I mean? I don't really do the outsource. I don't want to do LegalZoom. I don't want to do none of that. Okay, now it just it has me filling out a couple questions, and that's about it. You know what? I'm actually going to say I don't have an employees because it's going to be a 1099, which is, you know what I mean? I'm going to say I'm not sure, and we're going to go from there. And this is why we create that tax ID, because I'm going to need it in order to establish my business with my state. You need your EIN. So they call it the FEIN. And I think you guys want to follow the steps and make sure that you do your EIN first. All right, so now since I put in all the information, now what I'm about to do is I'm about to check to make sure that the name Educatedhustler LLC is able to be used in Pennsylvania and nobody's taking the name. So if you live in Pennsylvania, this is perfect for you. Again, I'm still on that same website. After I filled out all of the information, what it did was it gave me a checklist, okay? And it gave me links. It's easy. All you do is follow the checklist, right? So the step 4, I did everything over here. Step 4 is verify the legal name you choose is available in PA. So I'm about to do that right now as we speak. I hit the link and then it did this. Let's see if this is the right password. Please, 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 please. Yes, let's get it. Now I gotta verify, hold on. So I'm logged in. I had to make sure nothing crazy was up here. I'm logged in. So now, this PADOS business filing service is how we're gonna file all of our documentation for our new business. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hit this and I'm gonna go into another web, and guess what, guys? Now I'm in a hub that's basically going to tell me if the name is right. It's gonna let me actually file all my forms, and actually make this business registered in PA. All right, so now I'm getting to that right now. All right, so now we're about to search the name Educated Hustler LLC. So that means that it's available. So if it's nothing found, prime example, let's see, if I type in Walmart, something should come up. Yeah. All right, so I'm also thinking about creating a business for hustlers only. Okay, the official. What the heck? Connects. All right, so my business is there. So we already know that this business is up there. You know what I mean? And this is my business. So I already know that that's there. So I know for a fact that this is working. So y'all, this means, right, that we can indeed make Educated Hustler a business. So that's awesome. So we good with the name. And I also know that For Hustlers Only is not a business either, which is awesome because that's something I'm working on next. All right, perfect. We did that. Now let's register it. Certificate of organization, that's what we have to file. So us doing that, we need to go and file that with the Secretary of State, which for me and PA is file.dos.pa.gov. And I need to do this. So let's see. So I went to forms, and then I went and I looked for certificate of organization, limited liability company. Now I'm about to fill this all out and file it online. It's gonna cost me $125. All right, guys. So now, as you guys see, I finished everything. Okay, I had to do all of this. All right, I did all of it. Now I'm about to pay $125 and it's going to be filed. Just so y'all know I'm not joking or playing around. It says it right here. All right, so now we're going to download that receipt, okay? Because we want to make sure that we are crossing our T's and dotting our I's, right? So boom, that's done. Now that's a big step, okay? That's a big step. So now we have successfully registered our business as far as with PA. All right, so now we're going to make sure that everything else is right and everything I need to file for this company is being filed. So I'm going to look at the rest of the steps, which are right here, and I'll be right back. All right, y'all, good news is I'm done. Okay, so now the next step is to get a DUNS number. Okay, D-U-N-S number. So I went to Duns and Bradstreet. Okay, and I'm getting a DUNS number now. So I'm about to enter all of the information now. And again, you guys could do this. It's not that hard. So yeah. All right, guys. So I entered all my information, and now I am waiting to see what's going on. So it says, "Thank you for submitting your application. We're excited." Blah blah blah. So yeah, awesome, good stuff. All right, so yes, y'all, it's easy. Okay, it's not hard. I just wanted to show you guys. I didn't want to do too much, but I did want to show you guys. Okay, it says that it's pending. It's pending. Okay, I just wanted to show you guys that it's possible. It's nothing too crazy and complicated. Usually, people hire accountants to do this, but it's like you can do it yourself too. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that. And now I'm about to actually get up, start working and doing more things. I'm actually about to upload a video for you guys. This is the video when I went to Houston for my brother. And then I'm going to head out and start my day. But I want to really invite you guys to this private community because it's something that I think will benefit everyone. And it's something that I envision, and I think we can make this happen. I believe we can make this happen and make it flourish, but I need you. You know, I need you. So if you are a true subscriber, somebody that does follow me, please just look at the private community, see if it's something that you can see benefiting you. And if it is, what I want you to do is join, okay? Join. This is the next step, okay? It's the next step. Educated Hustler LLC is going to be something to where I am trying to spend my time helping others and also educating others on things that I've learned. I'm not somebody that knows everything. I don't say I do. I'm not just a phone flipper. I'm not just an electronic flipper. I'm not just somebody that sells things online. I am somebody that can help and benefit people from every mistake I've ever made. Okay, I've been doing this since I was 18. I'm 27 now, and I've failed so many times. I've had over $250,000, lost most of it, made it back, lost it again. Like I opened business after business, lost businesses, made businesses. It's so many things that I can share, and I know for a fact that there's people out there that want it as bad as they breathe, just like me. So let's get it, man. I appreciate you guys for tuning in and watching the video. If you guys have any suggestions, questions, concerns, inputs, definitely leave them down in the comments. You already know how I get. I am open. I will respond. If you guys want to talk, man, you guys can go ahead, follow me on Instagram at educated__hustler. And now that name is literally gonna be mine. Like it's cool. It's just so cool. But thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.